Ka Sorkar jala hak shipau tarik naitung kala manjur halor ka jing Pynkylla thamai ya ki kyndon ki baya day ba ka jing ya ka khusnam Meghalaya Day Award. Menteri rang ba ka jala ukwanrat ki sangma habakren shakilap thai kubor hadin ka jingalang jong ka kunhun menteri ulaong. Nilawan ra ya artli ki jing Pynkylla halor ka ni. Kabaningkong kalong bangilaray ban kyntiew ya ka khusnam nakashilak tingka siya ka arlak tingka. Ulaong baka ni kaday kabalale katdo house nam arajar katlay. Kumta, ngisngo baka jing ay khusnam kabashilak tingka kamlong satya kabayaha badbiang. Kumta ngilaray ban kyntiew no siya ka arsya. Nalor kata ulaong ru basa kawaypat karay balashim kalong bamantala ban apply online. Kabamut ba kamdan kamsyu ban paling ba katanat baday kmi. Chief Minister ulaong ba menta kibriw kila ban ay jing menjur ya kiwaypat lingba ka online system kata kumbale ya ka khusnam patmashri lembat kiwaypat ki khusnam jongkari. Nila penyar syuk-syuk ya ki senjam kenang bakin nang mi syuk-syuk kibriw ki ban ay jing menjur bed-bed ya ki kerteng lingba ka online system.
Vision of the guidelines for the Meghalaya Day Awards. So we have made two changes in this. The first is that we have decided to increase the amount of award from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. As you know that this was done last in 2013. So therefore we feel the amount of 1 lakh may not be significant or sufficient. So we have decided to double it. So now from 1 lakh it will be increased to 2 lakhs. And number two, we have decided to also make the applications now online. Which means it doesn't have to be sent through a particular department. Now individuals can recommend other individuals also through an online system like is done for the Padma Shri and the other national awards. We are also now opening it up, broadening the entire process so that more people can recommend names directly through the online system.